Hello, we're JIMB, and we're going to introduce ourselves by first telling a really depressing story. Back in 1904, a fire broke out in Baltimore, and it was too big for Baltimore's fire department to handle. So engines from DC, Philadelphia, and New York were sent to help. But when they got there, they discovered a problem. Every city had different size hoses, and nobody could hook up to the hydrants in Baltimore. The city burned for 30 hours, 1,500 buildings destroyed. So why on earth would we share this story about a conflagration? Well, the disaster led to an opportunity. Cities across the United States got their act together and agreed on standards for hoses and hydrants. And that's what JIMB is about. Not fires, but getting our act together with new tools, better measurements, and open standards for working together with biology, aka Biometrology. Our bioeconomy is still young. Each lab is like an old-school fire department. We're doing well enough, but we're each doing our own thing in isolation. But a lack of standards and measurements for biology is limiting. What if we could figure out how to better work together? What if our biotechnology products involved as much cooperation as a major motion picture? We could stop merely discussing the potential of our entire industry and start realizing it. Let's put out some of the really big fires, like making everything humanity needs without trashing the planet, and enabling 10 billion people to flourish without driving every other species to extinction, and curing diseases and providing good health for everyone. These aren't $100 billion opportunities. We're talking about a tens of trillions dollar industry. The Joint Initiative for Metrology in Biology, JIMB, is, as our mission, creating the tools and measurements that enable everyone to better work together. We're a partnership between the National Institute of Standards and Technology, Stanford University, private companies, and entrepreneurs like you. We are calling on you and the entire biotechnology community to better work together. How can you help? Are there biometrology products you need to push your work further? Let's work together to make it happen. Do you want to make biometrology your life's work? Join us. We're hiring. Please visit us at jimb.stanford.edu. JIMB, making the measurements that matter.